Just generally, just gathering enough skills to be able to put yourself out there and make content that you're proud of.
Filming is so collaborative, and you become a family. By the end of it, you know each other's mannerisms, what ticks one person off, what makes another person happy.
I mean, there was hours of footage that we couldn't even show on screen, so it was quite a challenge to get those points across in such a short amount of time as well.
The biggest challenge was condensing the film, because originally we had about 15 minutes to get the message across more clear. It was a bit of a challenge trying to get rid of the right things and leaving the right things in. That was probably the hardest thing to do.
So the biggest challenge was the post-production and so many visual effect shots that we had to throw into this, and it's really stressful for the whole crew, but we got it done. So.
The facilities at BCU were one of the main reasons I chose to study here. I was just taken back by all the green screen, especially because I'm on the visual effects course. It's really impressive, and the studios and the access to all the kit we can get, it's really, really been helpful.
Oh, extremely. I mean, as a visual effects student, the green screen studio is just, yeah, it's the best, one of the best in the country.
I think personally the facilities for me throughout the whole 3 years has been phenomenal. In terms of, if I needed a space to do reports and stuff like that, I could just go to the library. So I could just go there, and there's a huge place where it's full of Mac computers, so we can edit, or we can just do other work there.
My most memorable moment will probably be when we first started the course. I didn't know anyone, and we'd all gone around introducing ourselves, and I could just tell, because this one, Daniel, and another one, Elliot, they obviously saw it, and I could just tell that, yeah, these are going to be my friends.
Quite a memorable experience we had is during the shoot of our film. We actually managed to get stuck in the middle of London with all of our kit in the middle of Storm Doris,
Yeah.
which was quite interesting.
I genuinely think this last term in a sense was the most memorable, because there was a lot of time constraints and a lot we did, and we spent nights in the library with no shoes on, walking around.
I spent more time with him than I have with anyone else in my life right now, in that last term.